Why are we so scared to be ourselves? You're probably thinking, man, this dude's hairstyle is messed up. What if I told you that this hairstyle made me happy? And that I didn't care about other people's opinions of it, because at the end of the day, I did what made me happy. Isn't that what counts? Studies show that 85% of people hate their jobs, and a part of me wonders if it's because you're forced to do something you don't want to do for the rest of your life. If you're not prepared to see me at my worst, then you don't deserve to see me at my best. Marilyn Monroe. I learned one of the greatest fundamentals of life playing soccer. If I failed to score a goal, I would apologize and try again and again until I did score a goal. Failure is a part of life, but it's the fast track to your goal. How will your life look 5, 10, 20 years from now? Will it be the same? Will you be happy if you stayed the same? For me, it's one of the scariest thoughts to be doing the same thing day in and day out for the next 40 years of my life. How would you feel if you could build an automated online business that did the work for you, so you could spend your time doing the things you actually love and want to do, at next to no startup cost, and that you could do around your day job, like I did? Now, I can't take credit for this, as there is a digital community that has been helping complete beginners like me to transition from a 9-to-5 job to a laptop lifestyle for the last 12 years. They sent me a free workshop video series that showed me step by step how I could get started online from scratch. And if they can help a complete nobody like me, then what's stopping you? I've now reached a point in my journey where I want to give back and help others create the life they want. If you can't see yourself working for a boss for the rest of your life, I highly recommend you do the following. Click the button on screen or below the video, enter your name and email address so I can send you that free workshop video series straight to your email inbox. That will show you just how possible it is to start an automated online business. I will also be sending you free content of my personal results and others in this community that will just provide you with even more value. So why not educate yourself like many others have done from all walks of life, with massive success stories all around the world, by following the step-by-step process to take control of your life again and live on your terms. The biggest thing for me is that I'm surrounded by like-minded people that allow me to be myself and help me grow an online business that I'm passionate about. If any of this resonates with you, then you know what to do. Click the link, give me your name and email, and I will send you that free workshop video series to get you started on your journey. I hope to hear from you soon. Take care.